Now children, we are going to complete sum up the poem John Brown. By Bob Dylan. Now children, let us quickly summarize the poem, how it has started and what all things it has dealt with. Opening of the poem is very dramatic. Dramatic opening. The next thing the poem deals with is mother's fake sense of pride. Mother's fake sense of pride. Taking pride in her son's participation in war. But it is fake because we should not feel proud to fight war. In fact, war is not something which should bring us happiness. We should be sad about, we should be resilient towards war, we should not try to fight war. So we can say that it deals with fake sense of pride. Then after that, we can say when John Brown, the soldier who has gone to participate in war, for whom the mother feels proud, when he returns from war, it is a sort of shocking experience for the mother. Mother is shocked. Mother is shocked. It is a sort of shocking experience for the mother. It has shocked the mother. The condition of John Brown in which he has come back from war. The condition in which he is, the injuries that he has sustained due to his participation in war has made the mother feel very sad about her son's participation in war. And then we have come across the fact, then once John Brown reaches to his home, he describes to his mother about the experiences that he had at the war front. So those experiences we can sum up as horrible experiences of war. So those experiences that John Brown relates to his mother regarding whatever he had witnessed in war, we can sum that up into horrible experiences of war. Horrible experiences of war. Horrible experiences of war. He tells how he had sustained those injuries, and the injuries that he has sustained tells us about the devastating effect that war has on human beings. Because the soldiers who participate in war, they are also human beings. They are not made up of iron. They are all human beings. So his injury, the injuries that John Brown has sustained tells us about the horrible experiences of war, the dreadful situation that war creates. Now, after that we can say, confront John Brown after his experience because of the injury that he has sustained. It tells us about the experience, the consequences of war or the experiences of war. And after that, John Brown tells, in the poem, John Brown has told us about his confrontation with the enemy soldier. confrontation with the enemy soldier. Confrontation with the enemy soldier, he has described how he felt when he saw the face of the enemy, when the enemy came closer to John Brown, how he felt on seeing the face of the enemy. He felt as if it was he himself who was standing in front, because that enemy was also a human being with a human face. That is why John Brown was not very much sure about his participation in war. And after that, John Brown has told us how soldiers participate in war, how soldiers participate in war, and the reason behind they participate in war. And John Brown has told us, in the poem, through John Brown, the poet has told us that soldiers are mere puppets in the hands of people, or in the hands of politicians who direct their action. They sit at home and relax, and the soldiers, they put their life at stake and they fight for the nation. They fight war for the nation, putting their life at stake. And this is what John Brown has told us after the confrontation with the enemy. He has told us about the soldiers being mere puppets at the hand of politicians. Soldiers being mere puppets at the hands of politicians. On whose advice soldiers act on the front? They act on the advice of the politicians of our country. So we can say that because of that